Hey guys! Today we will be checking out the Eveage Cordless Grass and Shrub Trimmer. It is a portable, cordless handheld trimmer that I can use it during my gardening works to trim my grass and plants to the length I want. No more using boring and troublesome ways to trim my lawn. On first look, the packaging is clean and informative with key specifications of the trimmer listed neatly on the product packaging. Let's check out what is inside the product packaging. Inside the box, you will find one user guide to help guide you on how to operate the product. Also included is one hedge shear and a hedge trimmer body with the motor to power the trimmer. A grass shear cutter is included too. A power adapter is included to charge up the device. On first impressions of the Eveage cordless grass cutter, it looks solid and durable with the materials feeling high quality and durable. It comes with a safety pin that you have to insert into the port before operation to prevent accidental start. This is one of many safety features on the Eveage cordless grass cutter. There is a USB-C charging port at the base of the product. This is to facilitate ease of charging of the battery within it. It comes with a rotatable handle, with a press of a button to release it from its current state. You can rotate it to fit into small tight spaces while giving you a comfortable grip. Pretty smart design. The two trimmers that come with the product are anti-rust, so even when the plants are wet like after the rain, it should not cause rust to your trimmers as they are coated with paint to prevent water from getting to the metal. They come with a protective covering too to prevent any accidents. Good that they know that. I can easily clip on and attach the trimming blade to the body of the product to start trimming my plants with ease. Easy interchange the blades by pressing down the release key to release the trimmer blade. To power it up, press on the power button and release the safety lock to activate the blade. This will enable the trimmer to be in full operation and ready to trim. This the other safety feature that is on this trimmer to prevent accidental turn on. You must release the safety lock to start the motor. Ergonomic design that helps prevent accidents. Now I will try it out on my grass lawn. During use, I can feel that it is very effective to trim my grass as the trimmer is sharp and helps trim grass that is too long easily without hassle. In a few trims, I have managed to trim an area on my lawn that was previously messy with long grass all over the place. Next, I will try out the hedge trimmer. It is useful for trimming long plants and trees. I will try cutting some leaves and plants on my lawn with it. As you see, it cuts well through long leaves. It doesn't jam or get stuck thanks to the sharp blades. It works well and I enjoyed using it today to trim my lawn. It gets unwanted and messy leaves trimmed easily without me having to use difficult tools to get parts of my lawn trimmed. Overall, I find the Eveage cordless grass and shrub trimmer a really useful product if you own a garden, or have bushes of plants that you need to trim regularly. You may find this product helpful in getting your garden trimmed easily with its sharp trimming blades and ergonomic cordless design. Find out more about it with the link in description. Thank you for watching.